Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am installing this hair I got off Amazon. This is called a Jamaican Bounce 8 inches crocheted hair. This does come in different colors. I got mine in 1B, and it also comes with a crocheted hook. Now I'm just prepping my hair. My hair is freshly washed. Applying some Blue Magic grease. Yes guys, I'm old school, but my hair is damaged and I am trying to get it back to a healthy state. So I'm just going to section, as you can see, and braid my hair down. I am braiding this all the way to the back. It doesn't need to be fancy or anything, just some simple cornrows going back. And here is the first side of my head. Guys, it's so messy, but it doesn't matter, as long as you get your braids tight. Not too tight, but you know what I mean. As long as you get a nice braid, it shouldn't matter really. I am just braiding my way. I have bald patches in my hair, so if you guys know of anything I can use to get my hair back to a healthy place, please leave a suggestion in the comment section. I am going through it, guys. My hair is going through it, my skin is going through it. I'm also a little iron deficient, so I think that has a lot to do with everything that's going on with my hair and skin. But yeah, leave me a recommendation if you know of anything I can use to get this hair back to where it needs to be. I'm just applying some more of that Blue Magic grease on my scalp, trying to keep everything moisturized. Look at my skin, it is so terrible. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the prepping part of this install. Alright, let's get this install going. This hair is so soft. I was pleasantly surprised. For the price, it's really bouncy. The curls are really bouncy. I did separate the hair a little bit because I didn't want the curls so coily, if you know what I mean. So I just went ahead and separated the sections about 3 times. And yeah, that's how I got this look. This was quick and easy. It took me less than half an hour to install the hair once I got it braided down. So if you have somebody who's able to braid your hair down for you, that's even better. But I don't have anyone, so I do everything by myself, as far as getting my hair down. And I actually like doing my hair by myself, honestly, because I don't have the patience to sit in someone's chair. I don't have the time to work on other people's schedule. I just like doing my hair by myself. Yeah, I'm showing the curl pattern. If you decide to keep it as it is, you will have a bigger curl, but I separated mine, and I just wanted to show you guys that. Yeah, this is coming together really nicely. A few ends that needed to be cut, but nothing too drastic. The hair didn't tangle as much either. It's really good for the price, guys. You should try this. I will leave all the details of the hair in the description box and pin it to the comment section. Getting to the top of my head, I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a side part or a middle part, or if I wanted to do a bangs. I wasn't sure, so I Just kept crocheting and decided that I did indeed want to do a middle part. But this hair is versatile, so you can install it in a way that you are able to wear it as a side part or as a middle part. I think once it gets a little older, I'm actually going to brush it out more and make it more of an afro. I think that's going to be really cute. Yeah, this is what it is looking like. The curls are bouncy. I really love this hair. Just applying some finishing touches, you know me. I go in, I have some oil, some mousse, a curling cream that I picked up from Target. Um, yeah, whatever you have laying around. I think with hair like this, you have to put in the work sometimes to get the desired outcome. So if you have some mousse, water, cream, hair grease, whatever, just give it a little bit of love and apply some of your favorite products, and you will love the outcome. And yeah, I really like this, guys. And yeah, we are. This is the final look with some makeup, of course. I had to get myself together. But yeah, this hair came out really nice. I really love the curls. It's bouncy. It's not heavy either. I was feeling myself, as you can see. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Afrobeat.